Welcome students. In this video we are going to learn one of the most commonly used loop in C++ programming, that is for loop. A for loop is a control structure that allows you to repeat a block of code a specified number of times. It's perfect when you know in advance how many times you need to iterate. Let's start with the syntax for a for loop. So the syntax of for loop mean how we can use the for loop. Simply type the keyword for and then in the brackets first initialize a variable. Will be an initialization of variable. After initialization there would be a condition and there will be separated by the semicolon, and after the condition there will be increment or decrement to the value of variable controlling the loop. This can be increment or decrement in most cases, but this can be changing the variable. And after this there will be pair of open and closed curly braces. This indicate the body of the for loop, and in these brackets there will be code to execute on each iteration. This is the syntax of a for loop. For example, create a simple program that will print your name 5 times on the screen. So first initialize a variable in the for loop. Create a variable. You can give this variable any name, but in loops usually we use variable name named I. I stand for index controlling the iteration of loops. After initialization mean giving the initial value. I am initializing this variable I with a value of 1, as loop will iterate 5 times. So give this condition I less than is equal to 5. This means loop will iterate 5 times for the value of i's. For first time it will iterate for the value 1 of I, second time it will iterate for the value 2, third time for value 3, and up to the value 5. Then increment or decrement the value of I. Set I is I plus plus. It will add 5 to the value of I on each iteration. And then you can write the code in the body of the loop that will be executed on each iteration. This time I am going to print my name 5 times. So simply type cout Muhammad Asif Khan, and it will print Muhammad Asif Khan 5 times. Instead of writing 5 cout statements, I only use for loop to print name 5 times. Let's run this program. And you can see it displayed Muhammad Asif Khan 5 times. You can use loops according to your program. Let's this time I am going to print numbers from 1 to 5. So instead of typing this string, simply type I. Now on the each iteration this loop will print value of I. Let's run the program. At each iteration it displayed the value of I. At first iteration it print 1. At second iteration it print 2, 3 and 5 up to so on. The condition become false. You can control the iteration of loop. Let's now it will run 10 times. And you can see it displayed numbers from 1 to 10. See how for loop is working. First time it initialize a variable and set a variable to the initial value. Then on each iteration it check the condition. If the condition is true, then it execute the code in the body of the loop. And after the each iteration, it increment or decrement the value of variable. Then again it checks condition and execute the code. Then it increment the variable, check the condition, execute the code, and this process continues until the condition become false. And this is all about for loop in C++ programming. You need to know to get started. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also share with your programming fellows. If you have any question, ask below in the comment section. I will be happy to answer them. Thank you.